If you had to rename me, what would you name me? If you had to rename me, what would you rename me?
Absolutely nothing. Your name is perfection. She's named after my mother and my oldest son. My oldest son picked her name. So she is Jeanette Alexandra. My mother is Janet. She is Jeanette. And my oldest son is Alexander, and she's Alexandra. So her name is perfection to me.
When we go out to eat, what do I order?
We were just talking about this last night because I
forgot
and I couldn't.
You can choose one place.
Chewy's, which is where I went last night. She always gets the Elvis chicken. Like everything Jeanette orders from a restaurant, all of us are sitting there every time we go because we go out every Sunday to make memories. Y'all should start that too. It's great. She always orders the Elvis chicken from Chewy's. Mm-hmm. And every single time that we go out, we always want to pick what Jeanette picks, but it ends up that we order first and she orders last because she's all, I'm not ready. And she never gives us like what she last ordered that we are all like, oh my God, that looks so good. So everything she orders is amazing.
And I always order the same thing everywhere I go, so I mean,
but she always tries to look at the menu to mix it up.
Right.
So we're always trying to copy her, but she always orders last.
What is one thing you wish I would do?
You know.
What?
I want grandbabies so bad I can't even see straight.
Oh
I
my
want
God.
grandbabies. I have everything in preparation for a grandchild all the way up until 5 years old, both male and female. Her babies would be so spoiled. I have everything. Bassinets, high chairs, clothes galore, diapers galore, wipies galore. Okay. Yeah, that's what I want the most.
What's something I do that annoys you? It's okay.
Do I have to pick one?
You can pick two.
Okay. We'll be driving in a car. She doesn't drive freeway. I do. And she doesn't like to drive because she's a chicken crap, but she'll drive herself. But whenever she's driving me, whenever she's riding with me, every 5 minutes, whether it's my fault or not, Mother! Mother!
I don't do that often.
I wasn't the one that did it. This guy slammed on his brake in front of me.
What's another thing?
Another thing is you're not as confident. Like, you are beautiful. You are amazing character. You are the most humbled young woman I think I've met in a long time, along with your sister. But I think you lack a little bit of confidence in yourself, and you don't give yourself enough credit.
Mwah.
Don't you ever kiss me. I'm mama.
I don't want it to mess up my makeup. I just did it. What's something I obsess over?
Makeup. And her boyfriend. Well,
Fiance.
fiance. Makeup and her fiance.
And what's one other thing?
I gotta name 3?
Just, you have to know. Like, this is, puts...
Oh, her YouTube channel.
Yes?
Another thing?
My planner.
Oh, yeah. I can never... She wants me to start doing planning, but... Who's got time for all that? And it's just a waste of tree because eventually, once you're done with the planner, what do you do with it?
You can
Throw
keep
it away.
Okay. Where would you like to see me in 10 years?
Definitely still married.
Mm-hmm.
Which she's getting married in October of this year, 2018.
My career.
Don't give me hints and I know what to say. God, she's horrible. So bossy. Yes, I would love for her career to be started.
But do you know what it is?
Children. Oh, yeah.
What's
Pediatric oncology. I know that.
Okay.
She thinks I don't know her. Children. I would love for her to have children. She would be an amazing mother. And just happy. Happy with yourself. Happy with the world. Yeah. Happy with where you're at in life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aww.
Don't tell me okay. See, she's so bossy. God.
When were
This
you...
is my time.
You get time with me not almost every day, but
I don't get YouTube time.
When were you most proud of me?
every day, every single day of your life. I'm most proud of you because you're not a person that gives up. You try to achieve no matter what you're doing. All of my babies. I am most proud every single day of my kids. So, yeah.
Awesome. What's the worst thing I've ever done?
You weren't bad. I don't think you ever did anything bad.
I'll tell you what the worst thing I've ever done. I called my mom and asked if I can go off campus for lunch, and she said yes. That's the worst thing I've done.
She's never done anything bad.
Mm-mm.
My rebel was my youngest son, I think, because
That's another story.
Jeanette was a
time.
goody two-shoes. She never did anything bad.
All right. What's your favorite?
Oh, we could do a whole YouTube channel on Google.
What's your favorite moment of us together?
Every moment. She's my best friend. Like, I make her go partying with me on the weekends. She's off today on a Thursday because of 50 Shades of Grey. Because I would not do things in life without my best friend. And she literally, God's honest truth, is my ultimate best friend. We do everything. We're two peas in a pod. We think alike. We look alike. We act alike.
I do have to say, with makeup, we don't look alike.
Well, because I have beautifully nice, natural, dark skin. You're white.
I'm pale. Like, I'm really
You're white.
pale. I don't know how I got so pale.
You need to darken your powder so it gives you a little bit of,
I think I'm going to try a self-tan.
There you go.
If you guys know a good self-tan, please leave it down below. But that's something that's not too orange.
Yeah.
So, leave it down below.
But you're a little ghosty.
How was I in school? That goes back to the same...
Goody two-shoes. Like, she made great grades. I do remember she got in trouble one time.
About my phone?
Yes.
With Mr. Domain.
Yeah. And that was the only thing I mean, she was a great student. Like, I always got compliments. Every PTA, it was so quick for me to get through this stuff with my kids because I did not allow any slacking with my kids. My kids had to be the epitome of perfection. Respect is a huge thing for me. You respect me, I'll respect you, vice versa. And so the way you treat me is the way I want you to treat others.
Right.
So whenever they went to school, I didn't slack on them. Like, they had to be perfect. And so every time I went to PTA meetings, I got a whole 5 seconds with each teacher. Oh, it's Jeanette's mom. Yeah. No, she's a great kid. That's it.
And I think that reflects in our adult lives too, because, I mean, I work with people every single day, and just having that respect for everyone, even if you don't know them, it takes you a long way, and it takes you, you know, since it was instilled in me since I was younger. I don't have to learn how to respect people that I don't know already. So it's really benefited me, and I don't think I can thank my mom enough for that, because she's always, you know, respect others the way that you want respect.
There's so much ugliness in the world, especially today's day and age, that a little bit of kindness goes a long way, and you never know what that story is that's walking in that door. So if all you give them is a smile and respect, you might have brightened up somebody's day that might have been thinking some horrible things of what to do or the next step in their life. You might have just changed somebody's life by just showing a little bit of respect.
Right. This is an interesting one. What would you change if you could raise me again?
There's nothing. Oh, you're going to make me cry. There's nothing I'd change about you.
Nothing at all?
Absolutely
Don't cry.
nothing. Oh,
Don't run
sorry.
your makeup. It's okay.
Yeah, absolutely nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nope. If I could go back and do it all over again, I'd want the same child.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, guys.
I'll give you a moment.
Go get a napkin.
All right. Describe my perfect type of guy.
Joshua. He's the opposite of her. He's very quiet. She's not so much. He's also very humble. he's all about her. He loves her to the bitter end. Like, I envy their love. It's like a fairy tale love. It really is. It really. He is definitely her prince, or her knight in shining armor, and she is definitely his world, his everything. And that's the only way I can describe it, is Josh. Like, there's no way to describe Josh other than amazing, and I could not have handpicked a better son-in-law for me. Like, he's perfection in itself. Kudos to his mother, Terry Williams.
All right.
So
that's the end of the mom and daughter tags.
Sorry, it got so sloppy at the end.
So
should have asked that one.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and leave my mom's Instagram down below, so that way you guys.
An Instagram?
Yes. So that way you guys.
I don't do social media. Sorry. I do Facebook.
But I'm not gonna put her Facebook on there because that one's private. But I'm gonna go ahead and link her Instagram down below. I'm also going to link down below a couple of the videos that we mentioned, which is the cooking one and the Rascal Flats one. And I'll probably link the questions down below as well. So if you guys want to try it out with your moms, feel free. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification button.
Subscribe. You have to teach me how to do Instagram so I can see what they do. I don't know.
You don't know how to do Instagram?
No.
Why not?
You made me cry.
Why don't you know how to do Instagram?
I don't know. I have it, I guess, but I don't know how to do it.